Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix FB Lite preparing message problem and FB Lite messenger problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now first open your phone setting, scroll down, find apps. Now tap on apps, search Lite, tap on Lite, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on manage storage, tap on clear. Now open your Play Store app, check if you have the latest version of the Facebook Lite app. Now search Lite. Finally your app is updated. Now click on open. Now click on message icon. I hope finally solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.